Hi, I'm Chris, and here on the table today we've got the fun, colourful Duplo big construction site. With all the bricks and accessories you see here, it's perfect for developing kids' imaginations and creativity through storytelling and roleplay. They'll love building their own construction sites and, the best bit in my opinion, driving around in the different trucks. So the first of these great vehicles is the tracked bulldozer here, which is great for piling up bricks, or much more fun, crashing through them. Then we have the big bulky truck with its tipping function, a crane with a rotating cabin, posable arm and working claw that can be opened and closed. It's very toddler friendly and great for developing those motor skills. Kids can take the three vehicles apart and put them back together in a number of different ways to spend hours digging, scooping and honing their early building skills. And they can combine this set with the backhoe loader and the truck and tracked excavator sets for even more construction fun.